Hello PSN, welcome to yet another episode of AB Sports Fest. Adda, this is a mini series where we bring out beautiful stories about this ongoing PSN Sports Fest, and today we have one such amazing story. And this is a very special episode for us. Usually we have maybe one or at best two people in the episode, but this time around we have not one, not two, but more than 8 people on the show. And this is fantastic. So without wasting much time, I want to introduce Team Durandars, the champion of PSN Women's Cricket League. Welcome Durandars. How are you feeling today?
Great. Great. Awesome. Winners.
Where is your energy, folks? I want you to be chirpy. How are you feeling today?
Great. Hi, sir.
Okay, so we will do this in a very fun way, right? So all of you remember how Chak De movie is, right? And how people introduce themselves. So I want us to introduce ourselves like that. So we'll start with person who is sitting farthest from me, Suraya. Why don't you start with your introduction?
Yes, this is Suraya, the wicketkeeper from the team Durandars.
Hi, I'm Manisha, the outstanding cheerleader of the team, Durandars.
Hi, Viresh, co-mentor, Dhurandhar.
Divya Gaur Sharma, all-rounder, Durandars.
Sonali, batter, team Durandar.
Wow.
Preeti, all-rounder, Team Durandar.
Anchal Batra, all-rounder, Team Durandar.
Megha, batter, fielder, Team Durandars.
Wow, Ashutosh Chaudhary, Sports Fest, Adda host. All right, it's awesome how the whole women cricket tournament happened, and probably this is the first time any such incident happened in PSN, right? And the energy was so infectious that you folks just took over the field and literally took over the field because the boys did not get a chance to even get themselves in the pitch for those 2-3 weeks prior to the event and during the event. I wanted to ask you, what are your top reflections of this whole league, right? And Siti, you are a captain for the team, so maybe we'll start with you. Maybe you can share your reflections about this league.
So our team's journey is a great example of resilience and teamwork.
Mm-hmm.
So we had started with a tough loss, means it was more than
Do
around.
you guys lose in the first game?
Yeah, first game we had lost like more than 40 runs by 40 runs.
So घायल थे, इसलिए
घायल थे,
घातक हो
घातक हो
गए.
गए.
Oh wow.
So that didn't, let down our confidence.
Mhm.
Instead, we thought it's a great learning opportunity. So the next day, a few of our team members had come, and we were focusing more on our weakness. That was more on fielding and the bowling. which
How
was there.
bad your fielding was?
So there was a case, we had a left batsman, and we were not able to bowl her
Wow.
because we were being taught more of a right-hand batsman thing. So we focused on the left-hand batsman, and also all our fielding and the catching practice was done. And then the next two matches which happened, it boosted our morale, and we did our best. So I'm happy that my team, gave an outstanding performance.
Right.
It's not just winning, it was the way we came back and, set an example.
Champions mindset. You lose and then you fight back and then you
Yeah.
win and just become the champion.
Yes.
Awesome. Anyone else wants to share their reflection about the tournament?
Probably me.
Go ahead.
So, winning the tournament was incredibly fulfilling, but not just because we won it. And yes, we have this golden beauty here. It was also about being a part of this beautiful team here, including a great coach, Viresh.
Viresh is
And-
also beautiful, you mean to say that.
Handsome.
Compliment taken.
Handsome. Our coach is
Handsome,
handsome.
okay.
And yes, we also have Nishit. We also had Nishit with us. It was a combo of Shola and Shabnam. One was, absolutely shant and quiet. And he was like, okay, he would encourage, he would guide quietly. Then we had Viresh. He was like, fire there. No, you have to do it. Yes, you are Ghatak, but that doesn't mean, yes, you are Ghayal, but now be Ghatak. And also this team, the fact that we were one team there and we had belief and faith in this team, I think that's why we are here sitting and giving this interview with you. Excellent people like Ashu and Bini.
Compliments
And
taken.
yes, this is all about this team. And when if I have to talk about reflection, the reflection is all about being a part of this team and playing there as one team and not just one individual player. We may not have played every single role there. Not each one of us
True.
either went into batting or bowling, but we were there as one team and we were fulfilling for each other, and that's why we are here. And I'm so proud to be a part of this team.
Awesome. So I'll just summarize what they said. This team was ghayal initially, and just like Dhurandhars, they became so ghatak that they just took over the trophy. But congratulations once again for that. And on that happy note, I would like to play a little fun game with you all, right? And I want only candid answers, okay? Do you make a promise? You are a team, but sometimes you have to snitch out a player as well, right? So the first question is, कबीर खान ने हमको बताया था चक दे में कि एक टीम का एक ही गुंडा हो सकता है. उस टीम का गुंडा तो कोच कबीर खान, शाहरुख खान थे, राइट? अपनी टीम का गुंडा कौन है? अच्छा, दिव्या गुंडा शर्मा. वाई?
वो दिखा दे.
उसी को बोलना पड़ेगा.
ये तो तुम ही बोलोगे ना, तुमने गुंडा बोला.
So why is she टीम का गुंडा?
I want to.
Okay, please.
So I think one of the most distinguishing things about Divya is कि as soon as she comes to the field, be it like bowling or batting, she has complete dominance over it. Doesn't matter where the fielders are, who's the bowler, who's the batter.
वो अपने मन की करती है.
Maybe the best person. And it was like, there was a moment in the match where she was running for taking runs. That was a scene where she was taking runs. She was on her own, literally. Everybody was shouting, but she was on her own. She didn't get out.
गुंडागर्दी कहाँ है? ये तो पैशन
हाँ,
है.
दर्दी का मैं ये एग्जांपल मैं ये दे सकती हूँ कि किसी भी टीम ने, बाकी दोनों टीम्स में से किसी एक आध टीम ने अगर हमें ट्राई किया हो हमें ओवर पावर करने का, हमारे कॉन्फिडेंस को हिट करने का, तो उनके लिए उनके सामने दिव्या गौड़ शर्मा खड़ी थी.
तो
अपनी
मार
टीम
वार
के
दिया
लिए.
क्या किसी को?
नहीं, हर प्रेजेंट
हमारी बातें ऐसी होती है कि सामने वाले लिटरली घायल हो जाते
No, I see that your finger has a fracture. Maybe I thought मार वार हो गई हो. But
नहीं, this was given to me by volleyball.
I know that, yeah.
Yeah. But it didn't affect my game.
So speaking of gundas, now let's look at people who also are other side of gundas, right? Who are Sharif. So आपकी टीम में सबसे शरीफ बच्चा बच्ची कौन है? Wow. Megha, how old are you?
I am 21.
So आप शरीफ बच्ची हो इस टीम की.
Yes.
Why is she शरीफ? Any reason? Please.
She's a silent killer.
Silent assassin. Wow.
Silent killer. उसकी एक silently taken most important catch of the match got us to the victory.
Turning
Yes.
point.
It was a turning point of the match for us.
मुझे लगता है एक झलक दिखाएगी अंपायर को तो अंपायर भी आउट दे देगा. Like the looks can kill and the nazar can kill.
और अंपायर भी लड़के थे तो
देखो वीरेश भाई agrees to it. So yeah, great silent assassin, looks can kill, great stuff. एक और सवाल है मेरा एंड आई वांट यू टू बी सुपर कैंडिड अबाउट इट. इस टीम का ज्ञान गुरु कौन है? जो सबसे ज्यादा ज्ञान बांटता है वो कौन है? एंड यू कांट से वीरेश, उसका तो काम है ज्ञान बांटना, बट और कौन ज्यादा ज्ञान बांटता था?
मेरे हिसाब से सुरैया.
मैं
ऐसे करना, वैसे करना, ये मत ऐसे करना, और मैं कैसे विकेट कीपिंग में लोगों पे प्रेशर बनाऊंगी, ये
हाँ,
सब.
वो वाला ज्ञान. यस.
तो क्या मतलब आप कुछ स्पेशल किताबें पढ़ के आई थी क्या ज्ञान बांटने के लिए? कैसे ज्ञान लिया?
ज्ञान तो तभी देते हो ना जब कुछ पढ़ते नहीं हो. ज्ञान कम्स नेचुरली.
रायचंद, it's called रायचंद.
No,
तो
no.
क्या ज्ञान था? एक नमूना बताइए जिसमें आपने बहुत अच्छा ज्ञान बांटा, बाद में लगा कि ये तो फोकट था.
So I was.
So I give you one example.
Yeah, that's I,
Oh, yes,
I want you
please.
to talk. Yeah.
Yeah, there is another team player who was on the bowler's end, and she was sledging while wicket keeping.
Okay.
So that person literally said to her कि सुरैया जान लेगी क्या? Literally, because the way she was sledging was crazy.
तो स्लेज के साथ ज्ञान दे रही थी वो, और
ज्ञान भी दे रही थी और
opposing team को
sledging
ज्ञान
भी
दे
कर
रही
रही
थी.
थी.
डिस्ट्रैक्ट करने के लिए ज्ञान दे रही थी.
यार ये तो
उल्टा
सही
उल्टा
चीज़ है.
ऑपोजिट.
तो मतलब आप
Reverse
बोल रहे थे कि बॉल
psychology.
छोड़ दो, आप स्टंप पे आ जाएगा, आउट हो जाओ.
रिवर्स साइकोलॉजी.
Anyway, so let's take this conversation to a slightly more serious track. You all remember that when was the last time PSN women's cricket league हुआ? Never.
2019.
2019. I have very vague reflection that there was something which happened, but it's been like lot of
Not
years.
at this level, but
Absolutely, yeah.
not at this level.
Very true. So I wanted to check with you all, right? This sample set. Okay, when was the last time you actually played a game? So I have three questions actually. First is people who have never played this game or maybe played this game like 20 years ago, please raise your hand. Wow, two of them. 20 साल पहले खेले थे और अभी खेला.
Yeah.
Right? People who have played this game maybe 10 years ago, 10 to 20 years, raise your hand. None? 5 to 10 years ago?
Only
Wow.
for PSL.
And less than 0 to 5 years? Wow, you played very recently, I'm aware. Yeah. So come to think about it, folks. I think the median here would be at least 10 years. मतलब एक decade से people haven't played cricket and they just came out one fine day, पहली मैच हार गए और फिर कप जीत के चले गए, right? So मुझे ये जानना है and one of you can talk about this is आपको मोटिवेशन कहाँ से मिली कि 20 साल पहले क्रिकेट खेला था लेकिन अभी PSN स्पोर्ट्स फेस्ट जैसा कुछ हो रहा है तो रजिस्टर कर देते, वो कहाँ से आया मोटिवेशन? एंड anyone, especially you, right? Because you've never played.
Yeah, I would like to answer this. So I think the core motivation was that I wanted a break from a day-to-day life. Being a woman, you devote a lot of your time to family, kids, and
Very true.
I have a 4-year-old, and my schedule is like hell busy. So I wanted to give some time to myself, and
Wow.
playing a sport is a beautiful thing. Everyone should play one sport.
Playing a sport is a beautiful thing. Can you say that again, please?
Playing at least one sport is beautiful thing. Everyone should play one sport
Yes.
in their life.
याद
So,
रखिए.
so I think for me, when I came to practice session, I think my motivation was not that high. But when I saw my fellow players playing the way they were playing, it was
शरीफ
quite
बच्चे,
intense.
गुंडे,
Competitive,
sledgers.
yeah, women from different age group, and it was quite inspiring to see people who are even elder than me playing cricket, and I think that gave me quite a motivation. And I saw people playing it quite seriously and quite competitive in a manner. So I think that was something. It was and the winning moment, of course, it was an immense happiness you get when you win the
True.
final game and a cup. So that was like something. Okay, now I'm gonna play cricket.
Right.
I don't know, but I'll find these people on weekend and I'll just ask them to play.
That's the determination that I want you to walk away with. Anyone else or motivation का source किसका था?
I just want to add to this, by the way. Just sorry, I know this. The thing is that when I gave my entry there, I thought I just have to enter and play there. I never thought y'all will arrange coaches for us. There'll be mentors. There'll be this seriousness in the game which actually happened, because initially when they were putting in poll for coming and playing and practicing, I was like, practice kya karna yaar, women इतना जाके खेल के आएंगे. No, it didn't happen that way. We were all
Yeah.
serious, we were coached, we practiced, and we really performed.
Right.
So-
on that thing, I want audience to know that there was an organizing team apart from these mentors who put this fantastic show together. Some of the names I might forget, but Ravinder Ola, Ketan, Jasmeet, right? Jasleen, Ashish. So many people came together to put this format. So, big up to them as well. And we must clap for them actually for doing all of this and surpassing all your expectations.
And they were serving drinks for us. They were there. They were there to help us
क्या
in every form.
ड्रिंक्स क्या पिला रहे थे थोड़ा?
अरे वो
उसका कंटेंट क्या था?
रविंदर सर नींबू पानी ग्लास में पोर करके हमको दे रहे थे लिटरली.
रविंद्र सर बनता है यहाँ पर
हाँ.
because सारे मैचेस के रविंदर सर के लिए एक मेंशन बनता है यहाँ पे कि हमारे विमेन मैचेस के लिए वो हमारे लिए रिफ्रेशमेंट्स, हमारे लिए स्नैक्स वगैरह लेके आए, खुद अपने हाथ से सर्व कर रहे थे. दैट
I
वाज अ
know.
ब्यूटीफुल फीलिंग व्हेन विमेन टीम इज बीइंग सपोर्टेड बाय द मेन. व्हाट एल्स यू वांट?
Great. So, you also said you wanted to share about what motivated you. Maybe a quick
adding on to
line.
what Ajal said, I think for me, as I mentioned, I'm really young right now, and the only sport that I play is badminton. So for me personally, I wanted to expand my horizon and really maybe explore other sports.
Okay.
So for me, I was like, cricket, I feel like all of us just watch it on TV, and it's so easy to say that, oh, why didn't he hit a six, or why didn't it was such an easy
that's
catch,
true,
why didn't
yeah.
he catch it? So I wanted to experience that myself and actually get on the field and see what it's like being part of this team, being part of a team in general, and seeing how is it actually that easy or hard to make that six or make that four, get a catch, have like an easy bowling or not.
That's actually I am actually proud of that answer, because that is what motivated you to experience the sport, right, for the first time. Big up to you. actually audience, these Wonder Women and this Wonder Boy, right, they are quite modest. इन लोगों ने बहुत sacrifices किए, but they're not telling us about it, right? Because I remember they've been practicing almost daily. I'm sure taking that time out from everything that you all do as women, and I being a man, I know that being part of the men community, I know that हम लोग बेकार है, मतलब it's just impossible for us to manage the house. How did you do it? What are the sacrifices that you would have to do to be here, right? And Manisha, you had some answers,
so
right?
let me take this. Basically, I'm a doctor. I'm a rheumatologist at Manipal Hospital. So I would like to share some professional as well as personal sacrifices.
Okay.
So professional, as a doctor, I need to be available 24/7. Sometimes the calls will come in the morning or evening, at least on phone. So I need to really adjust my OPD timings and rounds timing, because captain is calling morning 6:30 practice,
6:30.
evening also practice 5 o'clock. So I definitely had to modify that timing and need to really rush my OPD and rounds and reach on ground. Unfortunately, I would share my personal sacrifice. Unfortunately, while practicing, I just ruptured my meniscus,
Oh
and
God, I
then
hope that
I
is
had
okay.
to. So my team was, really not. They feel dismotivated because one of the
Okay.
player has already backed out. If I backed out, they will land up in less number of players.
Correct.
And opposite teams were practicing day and night. We saw it on the grounds, team A and team B. So I said, whatever happens, orthopedist strictly told me 4 to 6 weeks. No, don't go on ground, don't play. But still, I wore my this
So
braces.
audience, wait,
And
audience, एक caution है, sports persons के साथ बात करते हो तो people will always go against medical advice. Please isolate the doctor degree from here. This is a sports person talking.
Yeah.
Do not try this at home.
Yeah. So this again has motivated, because my fellows have talked already. I'm being a sports person. Because of joining MBBS, I had to leave my
Wow.
sports. I had played till national level of Kho
Awesome.
during till my 12th standard. So that was the thing that has already motivated me. And of course, I saw the team spirit. The girls are putting so much at personal level also, managing their kids, managing their calls, profession. Everybody is working out
Absolutely.
here in my team. So this is what I mean. I think my sacrifice was much less, and this was completely team effort, and the result
Yeah,
is here.
this is the result.
Yeah.
But audience, big hats off to these folks to do all of this at the same time. Also make sure that the normal BAU, business as usual life, also happens peacefully, because I don't think any of the husbands complained. At least the complaint hasn't reached to the organizing team. Now moving on, Viresh bhai, आप बहुत चुप हो, and we would want you to come into the conversation.
I'll add one point before that. To
Okay.
her answer. Even though she was injured, she will come every day to practice. कुछ तो अजीब से एक्शन से बॉलिंग कर देती थी. दर्द हो रहा है पर बॉलिंग करके जाऊंगी. बैटिंग करती थी. फाइनल मैच में भी फील्डिंग करी है. उससे पहले वाले भी बैटिंग करके गई है.
Wow.
She was amazing.
Hats off,
Even
hats off.
even with so much pain, she was always there.
And if we were to talk to all the 30-40 players who are part of the leagues, everyone will have a story which is about personal sacrifice, and that's what makes this women cricket league so special for all of us. And it's so, we'll remember this for posterity, I think, and we'll continue playing. So Viresh bhai, coming back to you, right? हम लोग क्रिकेट खेलते थे and we played with lot of passion, the men group, right?
Right.
And you've seen this first hand के how does the women group play. आप थोड़ा कंपेयर और कॉन्ट्रास्ट कर सकते हैं क्या हमारे लिए, एंड स्टार्ट विद द गुड थिंग्स फर्स्ट एंड नॉट सो गुड थिंग्स लेटर.
I'll come with my reflection of how this went. हम लोग तो 10 साल से तो PSL में ही खेल रहे हैं, पहले से भी खेल रहे हैं, बचपन से खेल रहे हैं.
हाँ.
तो Nishit is the real coach of this team, the official
Right.
coach. I joined like 3-4 days before the tournament started. When I came, I was like, औरतों का गेम है, जाएंगे, थोड़ी प्रैक्टिस कराएंगे, खत्म. I did not have any expectation. I had zero expectation, to be honest. और था कि मजा भी नहीं है, क्योंकि हमको लड़कों के मैच में मजा आता है. We feel, और साथ में खेलते हो तब अलग बात है. कोच बन रहे हो तो it is always different.
Correct.
Initially, that was the way I looked at it. I did try to give them good practice, but सोचा नहीं था मजा आएगा. But the way it went, it was so mind blowing. मुझे याद नहीं कि लड़कों के फाइनल्स में भी कभी इतना मजा आया हो जो इस टाइम आया. हमारे ग्राउंड
I will
के
second that.
दोनों तरफ चेयर लगा के लड़के लड़कियां सब लोग बैठे हुए थे।
True, yeah.
माइक लेके अनाउंस हो रहा था, कमेंट्री हमने कभी नहीं करी लड़कों के मैच में।
Correct.
It was so much fun, and I talked to Rahul, I talked to Nishit, I talked to Akash also, all the coaches, and they were like, ये सोचा नहीं था कभी ऐसा हो सकता है, and it was
Wow.
so much fun for us to coach it. खेलने में तो क्या मजा इन लोगों को आया होगा, वो अलग लेवल है।
Correct.
Just to be there, it was amazing.
जो डांटने में आपको
Outstanding.
मजा आया वो तो बता दो।
देखो घर में तो सुनती नहीं है। 11 लोग,
पहली बार, हाँ।
11 औरतों को एक आदमी सुना पाए, और क्या चाहिए जिंदगी में।
I know जया और
कॉरिडोर
जया
में 100 बॉल्स फेंक के जया को
अपनी
बैटिंग
बीवी को
कराई
भी
जाती थी।
ग्राउंड पे कुछ भी सुना सकते हो, घर में देखी जाएगी।
ऑफिशियली सुना सकते
सुना
हैं।
सकते हो, कोई कुछ नहीं बोल पाएगा।
मजा आ गया होगा,
बहुत।
बट सुना भी होगा तुमने।
वो छोड़ देते हैं,
वो बात की बात है।
वो तो साइलेंट है।
Right, but that's awesome. I mean, to see a men powering the women team who are playing after 20 years is just too much of a motivation here, right? Speaking of motivation, inspiration, determination, अभी तो 30-40 women ने participate किया, but there are so many fairer sex population in PSN, right? If you all were to give one advice to them, right, कि cricket खेलो, sports खेलो, and you said it so nicely. What would that advice be? Now that you are sports person, you are on the other side now. तो बाकी साइड वालों को अपनी तरफ खींचना है तो क्या क्या एडवाइस दे सकते हो आप? Maybe any one of you can just go.
Sonali, you will go first. So मैंने sports last time when I played was when I completed my 12th. After that I had to travel दिल्ली से आना, मतलब पलवल से दिल्ली जाना, और सारे स्पोर्ट्स छूट चुके थे। थैंक्स टू PSN स्पोर्ट्स एंड द PSN स्पोर्ट्स फेस्ट टीम कि वापस से वो मोमेंट जीने को मिला। स्पोर्ट्स इज द बिगेस्ट स्ट्रेस coping mechanism for me.
Wow.
I play badminton, I play volleyball, and now you guys have made me play cricket also.
यार गुंडा भी बन गई तू।
और अब मैं गुंडा भी हूँ। अपने कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर निकलिए, स्पोर्ट्स को पिक कीजिए, बहुत जरूरी है अपने रूटीन से बाहर निकल के कोई नई चीज ट्राई करने का। एंड एज इज नेवर अ फैक्टर टू स्टॉप यू फ्रॉम लिविंग योर ड्रीम्स। आई एम लिविंग इट।
Wow, that's so powerful, and I hope this inspires at least 50 other women in PSN to come and take up sport. Anything else that anyone wants to share?
Probably one closing statement. I don't know if this is going to be closure, but we talk about women, especially talk about me time, and the definition of me time is go watch TV, watch a movie, go do solo trips. I think sports can also be perceived as one me time. Try it. It's an excellent me time that you can give to yourself. It need not be just going and sitting in a spa or doing kitty parties or traveling alone or taking some parlor therapies. Just go play. That's the best
Yeah, so
me time.
I heard, if I heard that right, किटी पार्टी से ज्यादा स्पोर्ट्स खेलना चाहिए ऐसा सूर्य बोल रही है। I never said that. You listen
मैं
to
यही
what
करती
she
हूँ।
is saying.
I do this. I don't do kitties.
But it
I
has
do
come
this.
from a place of a sports person. So hats off to Suraya for bringing this up. This can become controversial, but not part of our show. So अपना syllabus से नहीं है ये, right? Just finally, you also want to share something?
I just want to
Please.
add something to what Divya already mentioned. I think I've been a nerd half my life in school, so I only picked up sports in college
Okay.
and started doing things that I didn't know or was never good at. So I think she's already said it, but I think everyone who's participating in the PSN Sports Fest is a champion because they're already
True.
stepping out of their comfort zone and participating. They win or lose doesn't matter, but if
Absolutely.
they're participating,
Yeah.
that's the best. So
the fact that you entered the field itself takes you at least 50 steps ahead of everyone else who's just on the couch, right? I think that's the biggest lesson. And thank you for putting this again, because that's the core of PSN Sports Fest. We want people to come out, step into the court and play, right?
I think this time we had only 3 teams, but I'm very sure if this happens next year, we will have 6 to 8 teams at least, and you'll have a month of cricket. It will be nightmare for you guys, but it will happen.
It will be nightmare for all of us, but a nightmare that all of us will enjoy. We'll remember for the rest of the life. On that note, just last one. अगर अगले साल होता है ये सब कर रहे हैं हम लोग, दैट इज 365 डेज अवे फ्रॉम हियर। ये मोमेंटम जो बनाया है आप लोगों ने, राइट, उसको सस्टेन करने का कोई प्लान है कि नहीं? है कि नहीं आपका प्लान?
Yes.
मतलब
Sure,
Are the WhatsApp
definitely.
groups made? Is the banter happening?
So we have decided, the women team में, it has been decided that we will keep playing.
Okay.
जब हमें time मिलेगा, so in fact they are already playing. Some of them.
Wow.
They are going, practicing. We are fixing a time. We are meeting and we are playing cricket.
So let me tell you a secret. I am part of some group where men talk about cricket, and वहाँ पर already लोगों को concern हो गया है कि यार pitch नहीं मिलने वाले हैं।
Yes.
वो तो सच है, वो सच है।
Because
So
हमने
इसका
good
क्रेडिट
खड़ा
भी
किया है
PSL
अभी।
स्पोर्ट्स फेस्ट को जाता है कि हम
Right.
लोगों को वो अपॉर्चुनिटी आप लोगों ने दी है।
Right. So guilty as charged. I am part of the cricket gang. I am not playing actively, but प्लीज मारना मत मुझे, बट अभी पिच के लिए बुकिंग करना पड़ेगा, एंड आई नो दैट दीज फोक्स आर गोइंग टू वेक अप एट 6:30। आप तो उठने नहीं वाले मैंने तो पिच तो गया है आपका, बट यू नो ग्रेट प्लान्स। वी स्पोक विद लॉट ऑफ अदर स्पोर्ट्स पार्टिसिपेंट्स एंड ऑल ऑफ देम सेड कि ये मोमेंटम और एंथू तो हम लोग अगले साल तक लेके ही जाएंगे। सो ऑन दैट हैप्पी नोट, इट वाज एन एब्सोल्यूट प्लेजर टू talk to you, bring out some great stories on behalf of the whole media team here. Binny is not part of the frame, and we have few other interns as well. Thank you so much for speaking with us. It's a long conversation. We'll not edit most of it. We want people to hear the raw footage, the raw feelings that come out of this AB Sports Fest Adda. So thank you so much, champions, once again, and see you next year.
One thing I would like to
Yeah.
add this.
Yes.
हमारे टीम का क्या मोटो रहा है हमेशा? घायल थे, इसीलिए घातक थे।
Wow, congratulations. Okay.